A very good morning, students. Students, you are doing great in your study, at your activity performance, and you are doing your activity in a very well behaved manners. So keep it up. So today we have another chapter, fifth animal movements from the science. And in this chapter, we are going to study about some nature of the animals. How do they live? How do they walk? How do they use the food? How do they eat? How do they breathe? So, but before start the chapter, let's discuss what is the movement. So, we will not discuss directly the definition. We will go to the example. So, students, we used to see different organism in our surrounding in day-to-day life, like frogs, lizard, snake, birds, butterflies, dogs, horse, cows, buffaloes, etc. Okay, and we used to see them that they will move one place to the another place with the help of their legs. If we will talk about the birds, they will fly with the help of their wings. Snake will crawl, frog will jump or hop, etc. So this is how they will move from one place to the another place. Exactly. This is the movement. So here is the another word of the movement, that is locomotion. Locomotion means also movement. So let's come on to the definition. Movements is change the places or positions from one spot to the another by the help of locomotory organs. Locomotory organ means like legs, wings, skin, etc. So, different animals have different body structure. So, they will have also different way to walk. Like some animals will run from one place to the another place, like dogs, horse, tiger, etc. Some animals used to hop or jump, like kangaroos, grasshopper, frog. Some animals used to swim to go one place to the another place. And some animals, like all the birds and including some insects and your butterflies, they will fly with the help of wings. So in this chapter we exactly going to study about some habitat and structure of the animals, like fish as an aquatic animals. Why? Second, we are going to study about earthworms. Third, we are going to study about earthworms, friends of farmers. So students, we should know about the category of animals, whether they are aquatic animals and whether they are terrestrial animals. So we have different types of animals. Aquatic animals. What is aquatic animals? Those animals who live under the water are known as aquatic animals. And vertebrate animals. Animals with the backbone. So animals with the backbone, here is some example of vertebrates, that is reptiles like lizard, crocodile, snakes, mammals like whale, monkeys, birds, fishes, amphibians. Amphibians are those animals who live under the water as well as on the surface of the land. So another one is our invertebrates animals. Animals without backbone. those animals who doesn't have any backbone to support their body, like bees, slug, snails, ants, scorpions, worms like earthworm, redworm, ringworm, tapeworm, butterflies, jellyfish, octopus, spider, etc. So students, all the aquatic animals are not invertebrates. Like fish, they are vertebrates. But all the aquatic animals are not vertebrates. Some are invertebrates as well. So let's take our first topic, that is fish. Fish as an aquatic animal. So in this topic we are going to discuss about the complete and clear concept about the fish. Fish is an aquatic and vertebrate animal. Fish has backbone. Fishes live in ponds, lakes, seas, oceans, and some are lives in fresh water as well as in seawater. Next, some fishes used to eat plants and some eat smaller fishes. Fish are colorful and can change their body color according to the surrounding water, so that they hide themselves behind the coral reefs to save themselves, and this is called camouflage. Why do they hide themselves? They will hide themselves to protect themselves from the predators who wants to kill them. So as you can see in the lower picture, you can see that there is a lot of corals and reefs that will settle down at the bed of the ocean. Okay, some fishes are live on the surface of water and some fishes are live at the bottom of the water. And when number of fishes live together and move together in a very fast movement, that group of fish is known as school. Here is another example of camouflage. You can easily understand that, like have an example of leopard. So we can not easily differentiate that it is a leopard on the dry tree. So it is completely mixed with their background. Next picture you can see snow owl. Snow owl is completely look like a snow, so the predator cannot identify. And next one is desert snake. As you can see, there is a desert having a brown sand, so the snake has also brown color. Turn their brown color and protect themselves from the predators. So here is some examples of camouflage. Let's discuss the parts of a fish. So as you can see, first of all, we all know that fish has streamlined body, and streamlined body that allows fish to move easily in water. What is the streamlined body? The taper at the front and the pointed at the backward. Fish has each and every organ like mouth, eyes, tails, etc. But fish has some special organs like fins and gills. Let's discuss what is the fins and what is tail and what is gills. Fish takes dissolved oxygen from the water. When the oxygen will mix with water, it will become dissolved oxygen. So the fish takes dissolved oxygen from the water through gills, not by lungs, because fish doesn't have any lungs. So fish cannot take the pure oxygen from the outside of water bodies and it will die. Fins are finger-like projection that present on the both side of the fish, as you can see in the given picture. Fins. Fins help to maintain the balance of body while swimming in water. When fish is swimming in the water, fins and tails maintain the body balance of the fish. That is why fish can swim easily through the water. Next topic is, how do fish breathe in water? So, have a look in the given picture that water will take by the fish mouth. After that, water will go into the gills. As you can see in the red color picture, that fine slits are known as gills. And after that, water will comes out and oxygen will completely dissolve all over the body by the blood vessels. So this is how fish take the breath. Next is movement of fish. How do fish move? So as you can see, with the help of their tails, fins and streamlined body, that helps to move the fish forward. And this is how fish will move throughout the water. So that's all for today.